Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch on your phone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click create at the top right here. Okay, and what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and start clicking the plus button right here at the middle to start streaming, and they're going to ask you stream games or stream IRL, and basically broadcast your life whenever or wherever you are. In my case, I'm gonna just click stream IRL, and then I'm gonna just enable the microphone, I'm gonna allow access, and I'm gonna enable the camera, I'm gonna allow access. And basically you're gonna be able right here to see your face appearing in front of you, and then you're gonna start streaming on Twitch by clicking right here the live button on the white button right here at the below left. Okay, and as you can see right here, the stream is offline and everything. If you want to edit something, and just click the three dots right here, stream manager, edit stream info, hide chat, go ahead right here and edit stream info. If you want to add a title, go live notification, category, tags to reach out to more people, languages, and then stream makers right here, which is optional, and hit done at the top right after you finish. And here it says content classification, drug intoxication or excessive tobacco use, or mature rated game, sexual themes, violent or graphic depictions, or significant profanity and vulgarity. So basically, depending on your content, you're gonna select and then gonna hit done. And after you've done all of this, just hit done right here at the top right, and then basically you're gonna be able to stream on your Twitch by clicking the white button at the below, or the streaming icon at the below left corner. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.